All right, so let's get started with today's video. It's 6:44 p.m., a little bit late for this video, but I was doing some other things, a little bit of training with one of my subscribers. Anyways, um, today is June 24th, 2024. It is a Monday, and I'm gonna I'm gonna tell you why I didn't take any trades in crude today. Basically, there was the setup was there. If you look at the 34 of the 30 minutes um, the 30 minutes chart, you see that we are in the morning. We are right here. Where's that line? I'm gonna put a diagonal line right here from 8:30 9 a.m. right here is the opening, right? So here you see that at this point all the moving averages are starting to stack to the upside. So we do have the 200, the 50, the 34, and so on all the way up. Actually, you see right here that the stack EM is in green, and it was a green in the morning as well. If you look at this, everything was kind of like moving to the upside right there and giving us a signal. So if you're trading the 30 minutes chart, which it could improve your profit, but also the risk, then you would be okay if you enter it in that candle or even in this candle when you open it. But in any case, we are moving up. And also we are above the momentum indicator. So the momentum MACD is in green and moving up. This is not the MACD precisely, but reflects what the MACD is doing. So we are bullish in, or we were bullish in crude. Now, if we look at the dailies, or we look at the think or swing platform, I'm gonna go into a series of, so this one is the same chart, 30 minutes right there. If we change this one to 1 hour, or let's start with the 3 months daily. This is the candle for today, right? 624. And you see we started down below in a support area, and then we moved up. So even the daily moved nicely to the upside, but it's engulfing this previous day from Friday. So moving down and then moving down here and then coming up right here at the and close at the top of the level. But if we start moving down, let's see an hour. You see that right there at around 9 a.m., you did have this big tail to the bottom tail, and then it started to move up nicely there. So even the 1 minute chart, the 1 hour chart was looking good. We already look at the 30 minutes, and let's look at the 15. So in the 15, it came back down, 10:45. Moved this very nicely, and then moved up, and then it stayed right there after in the afternoon. It didn't do anything. Okay, so with that, let's look at the Renko chart. So we know that here we are in the direction of the 30 minutes, so we are bullish there. Now on the 30 minutes on the Renko, looking at here the two tick chart. So let's see, the tick trend is 2, the open offset is 5, and the tick reversal is 10. So with that size, you will see that it's moving, coming back down. When the market open, it make this move to the downside right at the open. So at 9 a.m., at 9:15, 9:05, it started to move down to 9:15 around this area here. and then continue moving down at 924, and it started to bounce back. So in here you could have a continuation of this double top right there, and then you could have trade this at the open as a break of this little channel you have here, or compression, right? That you have a compression right there. Anyways, I did not take it, and the reason is about this one here. So the momentum is above the line. So we are above this line here. Now the zero line right there, right? And then you move to the downside here. So there's no clean or 100% or high probability trade. You can argue that there is also a support area right here from the pre-opening. So that would be a break there. But the momentum is already moving overextended, and then it bounced back up, made a bear trap right here, went up and then came down and started to move to the upside. No entry here either. You see that price is moving up, crossing the moving averages, but then it moved all the way up there. So there's no inflection either with the lines, the fast line and the slow line, not making any inflection. It just moved up kind of dramatically and moving straight up. And then you have a bounce off of the 21 EMA, the red line here, and you see that it's already overextended and started to make a move to the downside in a clear right there. This one is a clear divergence there. Then came back down, and look at this, made a bounce off of the smooth 50. And then that bounce there happened when the momentum was to the other side. So really not entry there. You could be riskier and then take it there. But I look at that, there was some also potential resistance over there. So and then if you take that one, then there's a resistance there. No really an entry for me at this point. You keep going to the right, and then you have also a bounce on here. This one is a 34 EMA bounce, or a week off of the 34, moving to the upside. This one was a little bit more cleaner than any of the others, but it's yeah, it's bouncing off of there and changing color there. So it's right below the 25 line. So coming back a little, and then it started to, really moving kind of sideways to the upside. So not really a very, very hot day to take any trades today in crude. So that's why I did not run for anything today. So yeah, that's the summary for it. And remember that the game on this one is actually to preserve your money. You could have taken any of these trades, especially if you're looking at this, how this one was very beautifully bouncing off of the 200. So that would have been a very, very nice entry, but there's a bunch of congestion there. And when that happened, well, it was crossing the cloud, and the price stayed over in the cloud, above the cloud, the whole time. You can see it there. So that's the limit on the cloud, and it moved all the way up there. So If you make money today, congratulations. That this is not a day where I would take any trades. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.